Hi guys. Welcome to another video of me gonna do my fidget spinners. So yeah, that and stuff.
Antonio, I'm going to take a shower.
Okay.
Are you happy?
Yeah. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Can I go ahead?
Yeah, go ahead, no.
You think I should go take it to Nono?
No.
Why not?
Oh.
That is odd.
It's odd.
Yeah.
It is odd. It is odd. You're right.
Okay, I'll wait. I'll wait until it's finished, okay?
Okay, no. Okay. Okay. I'm
We are in this
sorry about that, guys. I'm still sorry about that, guys. I'm gonna be playing with my fidget spinners. Yeah.
Oh my God!
Okay, guys. So, what I do? Well, what my friends do at school? Like they spin it fast and they wait. They just do that. They spin it really. They spin it really. Oh,
Quello shampoo là che abbiamo portato
wait, guys.
nel bagno. Ah, in camera? Sì. In camera o in bagno?
No, Leolia è nella camera.
Like spin it really. So my friends are okay. My friends in school. They spin it really fast, and they could just do it they just make it sound like they doing it on a piece of paper. So yeah, I'm just gonna be playing with them today. If you have if you have fidget spinners, then you can play with them anytime you want. So guys, I have my blue one here. So these are my fidget spinners. So they're actually spin really fast, and I can hold it on my thumb. So yeah, I spin it really fast and hold it on your thumb. So that works. So guys, hold on. If you like where okay guys, hold on. Okay guys, wait. Let me do something. Okay guys, if you were okay guys, if you guys were to spin it here, see, you can see that. So yeah, the way to stop the fidget spinner is put your this works. It's put your finger here and then just put it on here, and that's how you stop the fidget spinner. So yeah, that and stuff. So, but it's still fun to play with. It's really fun. Guys. You can balance it. You can try to make it. I can oh god. You can spin it 25 and try to let me hold. Okay guys. I guess that's it for the video. Okay guys, this is the end of my video. Add, comment, and subscribe to me, and see you. I hope you like my video. Give it a thumbs up. Okay, see you in the next video. Okay guys. Guys, if you have fidget spinners, then play with them anytime you want. And bye.